Guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be showing you how to make this. This thing is good. It's good design. And I have something for you guys called the daylight sensor. The daylight sensor activator. So this thing is quite fragile, but it's not that fragile. So if we search up a lamp, we get one right here. If you wanted to, you can get a llama to dance on it. To dance on your music making machine. Trader llama. Oh, baby! Oh, yeah. That is a really cool feature that they added to Minecraft. They did add trader llamas to Minecraft. Java. Daylight sensor and right here, a daylight sensor. So what we're going to use this for is that goes there, and then this goes there. But we will make a system to make it work. So that will be our night light. This is the daylight. See, guys? So by the time it is day, it's going to, you know, guys, it is going to turn back on. Command block 64. So you will need a command block in creative mode. You put one down, set to repeat, always active, and then type in time, add, space, 17, and then nothing else. And then you see that you have that crazy message. So you do game rule, then command block output false, and then you won't get spam chat. Spam chat is bad. Hold on a second, guys. I have a clock. That I need to do. Redstone clock. And you could do. So then you place one redstone right there, another there, and another there, and then you sit, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then you do everyone on 3 ticks. And that's pretty much the whole thing. That was it. It's a redstone clock video. And you can also maybe, you can make your own with that clock. as it's this size and these ticks are on. So now you're thinking, look, it's dark. Yeah, it's dark. So if we search up lamp again, so is it? Oh yeah. Just get it there, and then we could do one space between each light. So I'm not a noob at redstone, I'm a pro. Like all pros do, they say if you wait, time will be better. We keep doing this, guys, over and over again. I really enjoy this a lot. I've already been recording for 6 minutes and 55 seconds. And look at that. It's perfect. So now it strikes night. You can see it. Now you see all the ticks right here in this tiny spot. So you can make some llamas dance in your music making machine. I want them to dance on mine. Look at that. Wall. You want them to... What? What? What the heck was that? Get... Oh yeah, strength. Strength. Sorry for the kids that watch that. R.I.P. cat. That's the grave. Cool. Now guys, we're gonna get you're welcome, dude. Thank you. If you dare escape, I'm gonna get the maddest of the maddest. So you just have to build this too high, guys, and then you're pretty much safe with this mechanic. guys. If you wanted to do this in your own Minecraft world, then this is right tutorial to watch, because you know I'm a pro redstoner, as I said like a few minutes ago. So you're gonna go mute in 3, 2, 1, mute. Yeah, that was very short, guys. Right here. Now you want to put your llamas in the den in the music maker. 1, 2, 3 llamas. I know how to say 3. What? Look at that booty. Don't wiggle that booty at me. I will wiggle my booty at you. Dilemma, bro. Dilemma. No. 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 Wait, you're flipping. Okay, thanks. So that's basically the end of the video. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And peace!